This one video has 3 developments that could reshape the technology landscape. You have to watch this to understand what's coming next. What is ADAM? ADAM stands for Automated Dual-Arm Mixologist, and it's exactly what it sounds like, a robot built to mix and serve drinks. ADAM was developed by H200 Robotics using Nvidia's AI and robotics software. It's currently deployed at T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas, serving fans at Vegas Golden Knights hockey games. This robot is more than a novelty. It addresses real-world issues like labor shortages in hospitality, while creating a memorable experience for customers. H200 says the robot is designed to be scalable, reliable, and interactive, giving fans a unique way to get their drinks while seeing advanced robotics in action. How ADAM learned to pour drinks. H200 used Nvidia Isaac Sim, a high-fidelity robotics simulation platform built on Nvidia Omniverse to model an entire virtual bar environment, including cups, utensils, and even lighting variations. In this simulated setting, ADAM learned to recognize objects and handle them even under challenging visual conditions, like reflections or glare. After simulation training, the robot's skills, such as pouring, shaking, and handling objects, were refined with Isaac Lab, Nvidia's open-source robot learning framework. Once trained, ADAM uses Nvidia Jetson AI Orin, a powerful edge AI computing platform to operate in real time. Here's how the system works. Isaac ROS2 libraries help ADAM capture camera feeds and identify objects in its environment. A perception stack built with Nvidia Tau toolkit and optimized with TensorRI allows ADAM to recognize cups, measure liquid levels, and adjust its movements on the fly. Here's why ADAM's deployment actually matters beyond the wow factor. 1. Solving labor challenges. The hospitality and service industries are facing ongoing labor shortages. Robots like ADAM offer a way to help fill that gap while maintaining consistent service. 2. Real-world robotics. Robots have been used in factories and labs for years, but ADAM shows that AI-driven robots are beginning to work in public, customer-facing environments where improbability is higher. Beyond ADAM, what's next? H200 Robotics isn't stopping at the bartender. They've also developed DEX, a mobile humanoid robot designed for industrial and warehouse tasks like sorting, packaging, and machine operation, also powered by Nvidia technologies like Jetson AI and Isaac Sim training.
Okay, so let's move on to the next news.
Nvidia is aiming to begin shipments of its H200 artificial intelligence chips to China by mid-February of next year. China is a huge market for AI hardware. China has a massive demand for AI compute, from cloud companies to research labs and enterprises developing AI products. Allowing H200 exports opens a huge customer base for Nvidia. It signals a policy shift. This move suggests a shift or relaxation in U.S. export control policy toward China for cutting-edge AI chips. Previously, restrictions blocked exports of top-tier Nvidia chips to China to prevent potential military or strategic use. But it's not a free-for-all. There are a few key points to understand. The shipments are expected to start under controlled export licenses, meaning Nvidia must apply and receive permission from U.S. authorities before sending the chips. This is not an open market release like consumer products. It will be regulated and monitored by the U.S. government. Sources say that Nvidia has been in discussions with U.S. regulators, and this timeline, mid-February, reflects progress in those conversations. This could reduce the gap between U.S. and China in terms of access to advanced AI infrastructure, but only if the chips are actually shipped and deployed at scale. For Nvidia, opening China as a market for H200 chips would be a major commercial win. You would also reinforce Nvidia's leadership in AI hardware globally. It also raises Nvidia's exposure to geopolitical risk and compliance complexity.
Okay, so let's move on to the next news.
Nvidia has agreed to buy Grok, a startup that designs high-performance AI accelerator chips for approximately $20 billion in cash. Grok specializes in chips built for AI inference, the process where AI models respond to real-world queries and tasks. This complements Nvidia's strength in training AI models with its GPUs. The deal reportedly includes Grok's chip technology. Nvidia would gain access to Grok's inference chip designs and proprietary architecture, potentially accelerating Nvidia's ability to innovate in this area. Top talent. Key executives from Grok, including the founder and other senior engineers, are expected to join Nvidia's team. This brings experienced AI chip designers straight into Nvidia's engineering ranks. Grok continuing operating independently. According to some reports, Grok itself would continue operating as a separate company, and its cloud business could remain intact even while its technology and personnel integrate with Nvidia. If this $20 billion figure is accurate, it would represent one of Nvidia's biggest deals ever, showing how much value the industry and Nvidia itself. Is it a full acquisition or licensing deal? There's some nuance here. CNBC and Reuters reports initially described the move as Nvidia buying Grok for about $20 billion. But Grok's official statements suggest this may be more of a non-exclusive licensing agreement combined with executive hires, with Grok continuing operating independently. For Nvidia, it expands its AI hardware portfolio, especially in inference. It strengthens its engineering bench with top talent. It hedges against competition from other custom AI chips like those from Google and others. Those were the moves shaping what comes next in AI, chips, and robotics. And remember, today's moves explain tomorrow's tech. We'll break down the next one right here.